Your views on World Education Summit?
I feel the World Education Summit is a great initiative by ELITS Technomedia and Digital Learning Education Platform because they have brought the best thought leaders of the country together. They have brought the school education system and the higher education system together, and that's very, very visionary because both of them need to work hand in hand and need to contribute to each other's growth. And the higher education system really depends upon the school education system because of the nurturing that happens at the foundational level. And I represent here the Arch College of Design and Business, and we are very happy to participate here and be acknowledged on this platform. And we feel that design is a key differentiator, and a culture of design can make a real difference to our nation. And we need to build a voice in education as India being a key leader, rather than actually following what the West has done. It was relevant for them. We need to make education more relevant and meaningful in our context and be world leaders. That's what my belief is, and design can do that to all of us. Let's all together build a culture of design in a country, and I want to congratulate ELITS Media for actually doing this event year after year and successfully carrying it forward with new conversations and new dialogues and bringing the education fraternity together along with the industry as well.
Your views on about Elite Technomedia?
ELITS Technomedia's initiative of the World Education Summit is a great initiative to bring thought leaders from all over the country together, from different walks of and streams of education, right from the school education system to the higher education institutions. And even to look at the industry who's here, who's trying to bring in new solutions for the education industry. I congratulate the team in putting this effort together to make it really meaningful and relevant for all of us.